What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, back with another video, man. I dropped 2 live videos this morning. I dropped one of me entering the draw for the Air Jordan 3 Tinkers, and I was talking about how the Air Jordan 1 sold out, and I took an L on the Tinker 3, so hopefully I get them eventually. New to the channel, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. First and foremost, comment, let me know if you cop them Tinker 3s, man. I'm very interested in knowing how many people was able to cop and how many bots is really just sucking them up. I know a couple of my boys got W's on the Tinker 3, so hey, maybe just me and my bad luck never winning on the draw. But yeah, y'all know we're here, and it is for the review and on feet of the Air Jordan 1 Game Royals. Very, very dope shoe. Y'all know I didn't cop every single one that didn't drop recently, you know what I'm saying? I got the bread toes, got these, got the gold toes, you know what I'm saying? So I've been on a one journey, bro. So let me know if you cop these, but we're gonna get to a quick review because I know I've seen a lot, and I'm kind of late with it. Finally got to the house about 5 o'clock, but quick review, man. I threw the blue and the black laces in for y'all. Here you go, the blue. You're gonna see it on the on feet. I already did the on feet for y'all. So first and foremost, go true to size in your Air Jordan 1s. I always say that. Go true to size, man. Here you go, right here. You know, with the bread toes, we got the off-white color on the mid on the side panel, but it's all white. You got the black Nike check right here, all around. Very nice, man. You got that blue right here in your midsection and around the toe box. Very nice, man. White midsole, all white, and you got that blue outsole. Very dope, bro. Very dope. Like I said, the Storm Blues and the Royal ones are great shoe to compare this wise, quality wise. It's not as soft as the bread toes. I wish I had them here. They're still in Kansas, but they'll be with me soon when I get to Germany, man. You got this Nike Air right here on the tongue. And if y'all want to see a lacing tutorial on the Air Jordan 1, y'all let me know in the comment section below. I love doing the tutorials showing you how to lace my shoes. I don't have a problem. And so, white Nike Air, size 9, y'all know how I do. And what else can we talk about the shoe? Right here, the quality back here, like I said, is not as good as the bread toes or on the Royals, man. So this shoe right here, I say it's behind the metallic reds, or I say it's about the same as the whole metallic pack. The metallic blues, the metallic reds, same quality. Quality is not near as good as the bread toes or the braids or the shattered backboard. You know what I'm saying? It's not up there. That's my opinion. What else? You got the black wings logo, man. And I said on a live video, I have a custom coming in. Y'all stay tuned. It is on the Air Jordan 1. Y'all gonna see it, and it's not the bread colorway. So y'all let me know in the comment section below what colorway you think it is. It's gonna be dope, bro. Just wait. My boy Mod is gonna hook me up with the that custom, and I'm gonna bring it to y'all very soon before I leave Savannah. So hey, y'all look forward for that. There's something else I want to say about this shoe. Oh, with the laces, man. Y'all know me. I usually always do black laces. I always do black laces. But the blue is growing on me. Especially after I washed the on feet and I had them on my feet. That blue is really growing on me. Y'all know me. I usually always do black laces. But these right here, I might have to rock these a couple of times at the crib and see how they look the whole day, you feel? But that is a quick review over the Air Jordan 1 Game Royals. Let me know if you cop. I'm very interested in knowing. Like I said, a lot of people take an L on the sneakers app. People sleeping, bruh. This is just like a bread toe release. They everywhere around the US, but they low in quantities in the stores. So y'all don't be sleeping, man. Do not sleep on Jordan brand this year. You know what I'm saying? The only shoe that has still sitting right now is the back 10s. So that being said, don't be sleeping on the Air Jordans. I'm telling y'all. Let me know what's your next cop in this next month. My next cop is the Air Jordan 1 Shadows. I'm gonna try to double up on them. Might bring y'all an early review if I get to my house in time. So with all that being said, like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat. The links will be in the description box below. And yeah, man, go ahead and share this channel. Let's get to that 12K. We're 11K right now. Let's get to 12K. Then we go talk about 20K when we get there. You know what I'm saying? So that's it for this video. Enjoy this on feet. Peace.